So the overall theme of EDF 2015 is exploiting data integration. So where do you see the greatest potential for business cases and societal impact regarding innovation in this area?
The greatest potential is something which is the areas where the greatest potential may be witnessed are those identified by industry. To this end, we have set up a public-private partnership, which is called Big Data Value. And what the PPP, so the partnership, does is to steer in a strategic fashion our research and innovation agenda and identify some sectors where the spending of the research budget can have the greatest impact. Examples are the logistics sector, the transport sector, energy, health, very important for societal well-being, and media.
And do you have a favorite success story regarding the integration of different types of data or data from different sources?
Well, not yet, because our PPP is not yet operational. We hope that there are some. We don't have in Europe. We don't have the European Google. We don't have large aggregators like the Americans. There are some world leaders, which I prefer for obvious reasons not to mention here. And I think that these world leaders should, within the PPP, really drive the creation of this ecosystem, pull together stakeholders towards the creation of a thriving European data economy.
So this year is the 4th edition of the European Data Forum. So what do you like about this forum, and what importance does it have for the European data economy?
Well, I like the forum very, very much, given the level of the presentations overall was very, very good. The level of engagement of the speakers, the turnout was impressive. I think the forum is important for various reasons. First of all, the data industry, unlike more established industries like the manufacturing sector, is not federated. So these type of gatherings are really important for building really the community and adding to the ecosystem.
Okay, and going beyond this forum, what will further propel the European data economy?
Well, there is something that the data economy is at the very heart of our digital single market strategy, which is one of the policy priorities of the new Commission. One of the pillars of the strategy is ensuring what is called the fifth freedom, which is the free flow of data across the European Union. So a number of actions in the coming months will be aimed at achieving this particular goal. So to this end, it will be very important to set out the right framework conditions for ensuring interoperability of cloud solutions to facilitate the transfer of data seamlessly from one cloud provider to another, and also the development of efficient data markets, meaning efficient pricing mechanisms, allowing small companies developing analytics and researchers to experiment at a fair cost on realistic data sets and sufficiently large and diverse data sets.
Okay, and another question, big data and smart data, they're two main trends right now. What are the biggest challenges regarding these two in Europe?
Well, the smart data is a sort of subset of big data. The challenges for the data economy in general are there are regulatory challenges, for example, how to strike a right balance between, which apply also to smart data, by the way, how to strike the right balance between the protection of the personal data of consumers and the needs of an emerging data economy. So that is something which is very important. And there are also other challenges which revolve around the need of having skilled workers who are able really to extract, so to work with data, and are able to extract values from the data. So I'm referring not just to people like data cleaners, data crunchers, but also the data analysts, which are the people developing the predictive algorithms, which will enable the company to extract value and mine the data, and also addressing the infrastructural requirements of the industry, so setting in place a competitive cloud market in Europe and making sure that companies have access to sufficient computing capacity. And therefore I'm talking about the HPC, high performance computing.